What's going on, everybody? So today, good news for some people, bad news for other. So we'll just get right into it. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but let's just jump straight into this. Now, the good news is we have a new listing for Baby Doge. The bad news is we are down. So we're going to be talking about what exactly is going on here. So look, we are down 2.7% in the last 24 hours, which means we have a discount right now inside of Baby Doge. Now, that's good news for some, bad for others. I think it's actually good news that we are having a discount in the price because everything in general is going down, not just Baby Doge. Everything is going down right now. Things are starting to try to recover, but, Ethereum had a big drop earlier. And it's kind of funny because they just now had their ETF and then out of nowhere they're dropping already. But hey, they're probably planning this inside of the market, right? They're planning it so they can do their shorts. But, that's just a conspiracy, I think. But what I would like to talk about here with Baby Doge is the discount we have in the price. So in the last 7 days, we are down 7.3%. In the last 30 days, 15.5%. It's almost like this is the last chance to get in before we finally have that next pump. But hey, we can say this all we want. Maybe it's not the last chance. But what I do know for sure, once we do finally get the Solana bridge, like maybe it doesn't just start pumping on the day of the Solana bridge, but over time, like people from Solana are going to start looking at Baby Doge and start buying Baby Doge, like people in the Solana ecosystem. So it may not just take off on the first day, but I think over time it'll start to increase in the price. But yeah, we are having a discount right now at Baby Doge 12.7 or 8Z1217 right now, down 2.7% in the last 24 hours, 4.7 million for our 24-hour trading volume. So decent volume there. But let's kind of look at some of the technicals here because look, we dropped below our Fibonacci retracement at 8Z1250. This is a very, very important Fibonacci right here. Like this 1250 is very, very important because we're getting close to our discounted price. We're getting close to 8Z1. And the reason why that's so important is because that's like a psychological number. When people see it go down anywhere near 8Z1, like this is where people really want to buy at. And that's why also with our chart prime automated trading indicators, it says the discount price because this is typically where your discounted pricing is coming in at. If you guys want chart prime, you can go ahead and get chart prime right now, 7-day money back guaranteed. Use the discount code CP30 for 30% off. Try it risk free for 7 days. But like I was saying before with chart prime here, we are at our discount pricing. So we're almost at our discount pricing. If we do get into that discount pricing and we break out of this little channel here and we go down here to the discount pricing, it's probably almost immediately going to get bought down here. So we should have a nice increasing in pricing soon because 8Z1250, 8Z1, this is like the bottom of Baby Doge. Like this, you usually don't see it staying around this area for too long. Usually every single time we get around that area, we always pump and we always get out almost immediately. And we're kind of getting closer to that area now. So we should probably see some nice gains coming back into the market for Baby Doge coming very soon. Now, as for Bitcoin, Bitcoin is inside of this weird channel as well. And I actually like the direction where Bitcoin is going because it's kind of predictable how it's doing it right now. Now, look, we're probably going to have this double top here. Like it's almost like a head and shoulder type of pattern. But like we're going to have this next pattern again where like we try to break out like how we did here. And then we'll try it again, possibly getting pulled back down. So it's going to be very, very similar to the other one because it does it all the time. Look, right here, I did it again. And I'll just zoom in a little bit so you can see exactly what I'm talking about here. So if you actually look over here at this channel, it does this all of the time. So it came up here, it couldn't finish it, so then it pulled back and I tried to do it again. But it got rejected at both areas. And you see I tried to do it again. It comes up here again, tries to touch it there, can't do it, tries it again, fails, can't do it. So now you're seeing again, we tried to come up here and touch that and try to pass that, it failed. Maybe we'll try it again and see if we can pass. If we do not pass it, then we will be going down. And this time when we go down, we're probably going to be going back into the 50Ks. So yeah, we definitely want to watch for that. Now, if you look at the the RSI down here, it kind of confirms it, because as you can see, it looks like it's actually about to stop halfway and cross back up towards the top. Like you can actually see right here, this blue line, you see how it's curving upwards. That's pretty much showing that the RSI is about to cross again and go back up to the top, which pretty much confirms what we were just now talking about. So we're pretty much going to end up seeing another rise upwards. We'll try to get past 68K, but if we can't get past 68K, going into 70, really 70K, if we can't get past 70K again, then you're going to see us dropping back down to this Fibonacci around 61K and probably back into the 50Ks. So that's what we're really watching out for. So we're going to have to pay attention for that with Bitcoin. And this really matters for Baby Doge, because if Bitcoin drops again back into the 50Ks, then you're going to see Baby Doge ending up going back down to like 8Z1, like I was talking about before. So, but when Baby Doge usually does that, it's almost always bought up almost immediately. And kind of the same thing with Bitcoin here. That's a discounted price for Bitcoin. So usually when we drop down there, we don't stay down there for too long. We almost immediately come out of that area. So that is pretty much what happens with that. I'll let you all know exactly how that goes. Now, our other big news for the day, we got listed on the Mexi Global Perpetuals. So this means you can now buy and sell Baby Doge futures, whether you're longing or you're shorting. So you can long a position on Baby Doge or short a position on Baby Doge doing futures on MEXC. Link in the description, because I have a link. Definitely sign up for it. You'll help support the channel. If you're going to trade these Baby Doge futures, sign up with the link in the description. This really helps out the channel a lot. Go ahead and check that out. Link in the description. If you want to check out these automated trading indicators with Chart Prime, definitely check that out too as well. Link in the description. It really helps out with the channel, because I'm doing these videos for literally basically free. I get almost nothing from these YouTube ads. So look, definitely check out Chart Prime if you want to sign up for that. It pays for itself, really. Once you learn how to start trading, it really does pay for itself. And then you can go ahead and use Baby Doge and trade on there. And actually, if we go ahead and look up Baby Doge, I'm pretty sure they already have the futures for Mexi here. You can already see Baby Doge right there. So eventually, we'll also have the Baby Doge futures for MEXC. So that's pretty interesting as well. It's probably not already on here when it comes to TradingView. It's probably not already on here yet, but eventually they're gonna put it on here. So we just gotta wait, really. And then whenever it does get listed on here, everything will be all good. But anyways, go ahead and check out the links in the description for MEXC as well as for Chart Prime. Definitely check that out. Anyways, hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.